Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little close-up and show and tell of these two Lisa Frank plushies. These are the small versions of Casey and Candy. They're two golden retrievers, and these were made in the 2000s, I believe. This one here is Candy, and she's the girl golden retriever. Here's a little close-up of the tag. Both of them still have their tags attached, and they're shaped like hearts. The two distinguishable parts of Candy compared to Casey is her rainbow bow, as well as her face expression. Here's a little close-up on Casey, and he is the boy golden retriever. Some of Casey's distinguishable features are his orange eyes, as well as his tongue sticking out. Here's a little illustration on the inside of Casey's card. Feel free to pause it if you'd like to read. This is a short little show and tell video, but I have these plushies and I feel like they're kind of rare to come by. So I wanted to do a little close-up on them so people could see. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.